Let me give you a tip. Let me give you a tip. So if you look at, it's a good subject that you bring up. It's basically convulsions and fits. Look them up, and the same way that doctors have studied them, it will give you an explanation. So they tell you how to deal with somebody that's going through that. You basically leave their body to shake and do what as long as they're safe. Basically, that's how when somebody's possessed through a jinn possession, that's how jinns leave as well. So when the person, so there's certain signs when a jinn leaves. So when a person is basically standing, they faint, the jinn would leave that way in that way sometimes, or they would leave where the body would violently shake. It could be literally a small finger, it could be the whole hand, it could be hand to the elbow, or it could be from hand to the shoulder. They'll just shake and something's leaving. But you can see what's dangerous and you can see what's not so dangerous. But it can be dangerous for the individual. Same with somebody who's suffering from a convulsion. It can be dangerous for them when they're convulsing, so you just have to make sure they keep them safe so they don't hurt themselves. It's good to read about that, about convulsions and how they come at different levels. Medically, I'm talking medically. And they're basically identical to jinn possession. Identical. So the point I was trying to make is, like, say for instance, yawning, is that a good thing or a bad thing? So look up yawning. What does yawning do? What does it do? What does it physically do? That's how we know if it's a good or bad thing. It's basically taking in more air. What you want is for air to be released, going out. But if the person's yawning, it's a bad thing. And the Prophet ﷺ said, when you yawn, cover your mouth. When you read on somebody suffering from the evil eye and they keep yawning, 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 they can't control it. Right? Now look at burping when somebody's suffering from, oh yeah, I forgot to say, the brother that was sending me his story about the food that he ate, he was burping as he was sending me his story. Again, signs of evil eye. So burping, what does burping do? Is it releasing gas or is it bringing in gas? So that's what I meant. Is it good or is it bad? No, you're gonna go and you're gonna research that. Does that make sense? So you're gonna research that, okay? Because some Maraqis, what they do is when somebody's convulsing, they'll hold them. They'll hold them. So now, is that good or is that bad? Okay, so that's something you have to now kind of find out.